What's up, everyone? Nate here. I want to say you're amazing. You came together in this whole new world of ours, this Zoomosphere, if you will, and you collaborated on an original song. Speed song style, the way we like to do it. So, congratulations. You guys are badass. Thank you. Thank you for, in these times, bringing your best self, bringing your musical self to this whole new world that we call community online. So you're amazing. And to celebrate, on June 7th, we're going to have a massive all BMF, like 500 person listening party. Your Original Blues is going to be in there. The Mini Keys, the jam bands, the advanced bands, which have worked on an entire record with each band. They're going to be celebrating that release too. So June 7th, the listening party right here at BMF on BMFConnect. We'll see you there. You guys are amazing, but you already knew that.